Welcome to Customers Training. $1 million using a couple of minutes of your time. This is what I'm about to share with you in this video. And this is going to be a customers training for our paying customers. But if you are watching this video from YouTube or any other social media channels, then know that this is a paid training for paying customers, but we are still giving it away for free. So everyone learns how to make money online, the easy way, the fast one, the fun way. Even if you haven't purchased anything from us, we still consider you as our valued customers because you are watching this video using your hard-earned time. Time is more valuable than money. And here we go. Before we go to $1 million, let me show you $100,000. This is a screenshot from one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. $101,000 passive affiliate commissions. But I'm showing you this because this is not the most important number. The most important numbers and the most important section in this whole screenshot is this section, the hops. These are the clicks from our visitors, the people who are either watching this video or other videos that we make on our other 20 plus channels using Epic. Epic makes videos using artificial intelligence. When you use Epic, you don't need to write your script because Epic helps you write script using artificial intelligence. Just go to the text section, click this text generator button, put any text from anywhere on the internet right here and use any of these buttons. Epic will rewrite the script for you. Take that script, go to the audio section. Under text to audio, click the add button and put your script here. Click one button and your natural sounding voiceover is ready. So you will be making videos using image links and texts and artificial intelligence without using camera and microphone, just like us. So if you hate cameras and microphones, this is your lucky chance because Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic. By the way, the video you're watching here, we are putting this video, the same information inside Epic. So our Epic users get this video completely free. You might be asking about the script. Where will you get the script? This little tiny little text you see, this is the text for this section. Take that script, edit if you want, rewrite it if you want, go to the audio section, use the text to audio, put that script to make voiceover, or you read it yourself and record your own voice using this microphone section. The choice is yours, but the whole video is inside Epic for you to grab and use and make money. Super awesome. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos. Can you see these little tiny little videos? These are each bite-sized clips. You can make as many bite-sized videos as you want, save the campaign, go out for some other work, come back later to add more sections using this little add new button here. And once you're happy with your videos, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You can download it and upload it anywhere you want, attracting customers. And in this video, I'm going to show you customers that will help you make $1 million. So let us begin. By now, you already understood the value of script or written text. Now go to Fiverr and search with script and you will find 14,005 services available. Everyone is selling and making some level of money. A lot of them are actually making a lot of money. Example, this person, they basically made $1 million selling explainer video script. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write script without any experience, any technical knowledge using artificial intelligence. And for that, I'm going to use one of my favorite softwares, Jasper. We will be using long form, and for that, just go and create a new document and then click blog post workflow. And where they ask you to start writing and you don't know where to start with, go to Google and write how to write video script. Let's start with this one. First, we are going to take a couple of sections or copy as much as you want. Don't worry about copying because we're going to rewrite everything in a matter of seconds. So just Control V. And our keyword would be video script writing, video script, and script, and click continue. Now we don't have idea about titles, so we're gonna click generate ideas. I think I like this one, so I'm gonna use this one. And then an intro paragraph. I can copy, but I don't want to copy, so I will use generate ideas. So just by clicking, you're basically writing using artificial intelligence, just by clicking. I personally like this one. For this example, I can go on and on, generate more ideas. If I want, want, I can go back and rewrite something from here, but I don't want to make complicated at this point. I just want to show you how easy it is. Use this one. The setup is complete. Now open editor. Now I will ask for write an outline for the content, and I want the output length to be longer. So the output is generated. Now I will check, copy this, write more about what is a video script and how do you need one and why do you need one is written. Awesome. I'm gonna copy this, paste here. This is awesome, right? Now I'm gonna go copy the third section, write briefly about, or if I want, I can ask for in details. This is great, right? Now I have already written 462 words. I can go on and finish writing. If I want to take idea from here, then I will copy the whole section, go to the power mode, and I will use content improver and put the content right here. Add a tone and generate AI content. Now whole thing is rewritten in highest quality possible. Now just to make sure it's written the right thing or this is what I want, I would probably just have a quick look or quick read. If I want, I can generate more. I can select 6 instead of 3. And once I'm happy, I will simply click here and the content is here. And I can go on to make the article or the script bigger and larger. Jasper even provides Grammarly access for free. So you have a free grammar checker as well. If you are weak in grammar like me, then it would be useful. In the training section, there are a lot more trainings. There are recipes, templates to use, and it's extremely easy to use Jasper compared to other AI softwares to generate content, use for yourself, use for your own videos, use them on Epic, make awesome videos using image links and text, publish them on YouTube, and through your YouTube videos, promote your Fiverr gig. This way you will get more and more sales on your Fiverr gig in case you're going to this path. So whatever you do online, you need text. And to communicate better with your customers and get customers from YouTube, you need videos. And that is why we use Jasper in conjunction with Epic, make videos on the fly, get customers and make money. That's it. Have a clear intention of helping others using useful information that they're looking for. Ask them to buy from you. They will click your links. They will buy from you and you will make money. It starts with videos and written content. So all you need to do now is to get Epic from the link in the description. It's free. And also get Jasper from the link in the description. Start using it and start making money from today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we have a much bigger goal with this channel. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you can help us do it too. Simply hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. This way, everyone else will learn how to make money online. They will love you and follow you for sharing this awesome information. And eventually, they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online, and you can do it too. Go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.